Hi everyone! So this is like my first official tutorial video. So I'm a full-time artist and my main interest is crochet, and one of my favorite things to make are crocheted tapestries. Here are some of my tapestries. When I first started crochet, I did not know it was so easy to make your own crochet tapestry patterns. So I wanted to share how I do it so you can do it too. So how I start my own crochet tapestry patterns is I head over to my favorite website, Stitch Fiddle. And no, this isn't a paid sponsor because this website is completely free. There is a paid version to the site that unlocks all different sorts of features, but you don't need that to do what I'm about to show you now. Okay, so let's go. Head on over to Stitch Fiddle. Once you're there, you can create an account and it will save all of your patterns. So to start, we're gonna create a new chart. We're gonna choose crochet, but there are other different crafts you can use this pixel graph for. We're gonna choose color work. And this is a great feature. It also has options to choose your brand of yarn to give you the correct color choices. But for now, we're just gonna choose no preference. So here you can choose from an empty design, or you can choose to upload your own photo and turn it into a graph. So we'll start from our own design. So just to keep in mind, each one of these numbers represents a pixel in the graph, and each one of those pixels will represent a stitch. So let's create the chart. And here is the blank chart. And over on the side, you have all your colors. You can click on here and you can add more colors wherever you like. Let's grab some color and our pen and begin drawing on the canvas. Good enough. So once you're done with it, it's just as easy as pressing download. And there's your chart. And just a hint, you can get rid of all these extra colors by going back over to your color graph and just clicking an X on all the ones you're not using. There you go. Now I'm going to show you how to make your own tapestry pattern from your own image. So we'll click crochet again, crochet color work, no preference, from picture. So once you upload your own image, you'll have a scale on the side that allows you to manipulate the size of your picture. So once you're happy with the size, don't get overwhelmed by the amount of colors because you can quickly change by sliding this scale to change the amount of colors it uses. So now let's save the chart. And now it brings us to the same layout it did when we created our own chart in the beginning. So now it allows you to make specific edits by grabbing the color, and now you can draw as well like we did before. And now you're ready to download. And I always change the side to 1 pages just to reduce the amount of pages. Thanks for watching. I hope you find it easy to make your own crochet tapestry patterns too. And I suppose please like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, I'll be sure to make myself available to answer them in the comments.